Hey guys, and welcome back to another video from the Parrott Bros. I'm Rob, and today we're at MK Sports Car with Sean.
Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Looking forward to turning this into the road spec car, ready for IVA. That's what we're here for today.
It is.
Why is the car with us? Come on, tell the viewers why it's here.
The wheels are facing this way, the wheels are facing this way. We just need to basically do a setup. We need to check the emissions. We're going to go through the car and we're going to see what Sean recommends us changing or doing if it needs any adjustments and stuff like mirrors, lights and all that, and he'll give you any pointers. But obviously check out their videos because they've done a couple of wicked videos that we looked at that is an IVA description of what to think about, what to do. But we're just going to have a quick run through today and get it set up so the wheels are running a bit better.
Get it all in a line, get it running, stop, start, go, driving, turning the corner, braking on a twopence, which is what they do. So first off, I think we're going to get into emissions.
Yes, we are. And what do they need to be? Right,
so IVA emissions, depending on your vehicle, there is obviously different cars out there with different engines. But on a Mazda, we'll take it as this example, it does fall under current emissions. So that means CO needs to be 0.20, hydrocarbons need to be 200 and below, and Lambda is 0.97 to a maximum of 1030. And I'm pleased to say,
we passed.
We're in on this one. So we've had it on our machine over there and had a little tweak, tuned it in, tweaked it up there, and she's showing all super clean. So Lambda sits at, was it
14.7 now.
14.7, yeah. And generally you're going rid of all the fun of Lambda will hopefully pull you in if you're running Lambda. Most cars have it. Not all of them do. Some of the bike engine car stuff doesn't have Lambo and you have to do it manually, but this one, sweet as a nut. Engine sounds good actually, doesn't it?
It sounds nice. After the rebuild in my friend's garage, and I'm no mechanic, I'm an electrical engineer. We've rebuilt an engine, it's running sweet, and it even passed the emissions, so I'm happy about that.
Car's ready, good to go. So next thing you do, we're going to set about Geo in the car. Right, so first job is, let's see where the car is at. And we have our little markup sheet here to check the parameters. Now, it's always hard at home to do it, isn't it, in the garage?
I've sort of gone like, yeah, that's all right.
Gone a bit of a way. So, in a way, yes, he's right. Brought it to us. We can get some good data on the car. So, what have we set? Well, camber on the front at the moment is set at 0. So, actually did a decent job. It's set at 0. We're going to aim for -1 degree, though, on that, just to give it a little bit. It's a more road manner car we're looking at today, isn't it?
Yeah.
Not out-and-out track weapon.
No, not this year, anyway.
Not this year. That's when it goes whoosh bang and then all of that. Yeah. So we're going to aim for that, and then if you're doing more track focus, you'd definitely be throwing more camber in the front. But 1 degree is where we're going to set that today. So there's a little bit of tweaking to do on that. On the front end still, basically the wheels are doing that.
Oh.
And it's quite aggressive actually, because
maybe I've got dodgy eyes then.
We've got somewhere in the region of about 20, golly, about 28 mil towing out. We're going to aim for 1.
It's just a little bit much then.
Yeah, but you know, that's easy enough to adjust on those. They've got pretty easy. We'll show you how to do them in a minute, so it's not a problem. And on the rear, it's fixed on here actually on the RX-5 MC, and it's pretty close actually. It's towing in, which is what you do. You don't want to be towing out on these wheels. They've got to be towing in, guys. If you don't tow in, the car will feel really wayward on the back. Yeah. If you've got a front-wheel drive car, you definitely tow out, but not with a rear-wheel drive. You definitely want it towing in, so you've got a nice thrust line so it would push this car forward and drive them into the tarmac, and you'll get a little bit of scrub on it as well. So camber was slightly, it actually wasn't too bad on these. You got 2 1/8 on that side and 1 3/4 on this side. We're going to aim for around 1 degree on the rear again on this, and once Rob sits in the car as well, it'll probably get touched down to about 1 1/8. Yeah, because there's Christmas pounds are on there, and that's where it is.
Yeah.
So ride height, actually, front's pretty close actually. It's 137 mil, and we've got 138. So the car's sitting pretty level at the moment.
You got one thing right then?
No, lots of things right. The car's amazing. It looks fantastic. This is, look, buttons here on the, well, it's Formula One. Formula One on the steering wheel. So yeah, we're pretty level. So we're going to basically give it a little bit more rake in this particular car. So we'll set that out, and then once we've done that, once all the geo's done, we'll put it on the corner weights and see how pounds she's got on her.
Quite a lot with all that
No,
added
no,
aluminium I've added.
No, it's all this carbon, look. Lightweight, weight saving, weight saving.
But I guess for the viewers, this is a reason you'd come and get your car set up, because we thought we did a good job, but we're miles out. So
Yeah, look, there's ways you can set it up at home. You can pull it up a string line, can't you?
Yeah.
And you can do it yourself, and you can put it into bars and all that. Is it as accurate as like the equipment, the digital gauges that we've got sitting here? We know a super tracker system that costs thousands of pounds. No, it's not. So it is definitely worthwhile, because the car, look, you're building a lightweight sports cars, and we're talking £500,000 either side on the toe out. To achieve that, and the handling difference between £500,000 and 28 mil is going to be enormous. If you drove this up the road now, it would be horrendous. You'd be like, turn it into a corner and it would just go off on its own accord. It would be great. But, you know, there is levels in it. So if you're unsure, yeah, bring it into the workshop. We're happy to take a look at the car. We offer that service and gear and up. We'll get it in the corner weights and see how it's up. If you can get the car set, I mean, it doesn't take a huge amount of time and a huge amount of money to do this, but it will transform your car. And every time we've had someone come in who's had a car handling bad, and they've gone out and just doing a basic road setup, they just can't believe how good their car feels. Don't matter if you've got horsepower, you need a car to feel balanced and it feel nice and nimble in your fingers and the way it handles. And that's what this is, a lightweight sports car, and you want it to go around corners like it's on British rails. No leaves on the track on this one.
there we go.
Yeah, so should we get into it?
Let's get stuck in.
Let's get stuck in. Right, here we go. We are on with the tracking. Joseph's been cracking on with the spanners. And a helpful assistant here. Been cracking on. So what we got here at the front, we have got it now towing out £500,000 either side. We use the super tracker gauge. You can see a little laser line here to give us the line of where it is, and actually centralise the steering rack at the same time to get that all positioned nicely, because we want Rob to be pointing in the right direction.
Rather than how it was like this.
Gangster lean, yeah. So we have set the right height. We've got 20mm rake. What we've got is 30mm on the front and roughly 150 on the back, allowing them for when Rob sits in the vehicle and it compresses, I'm going to say 5mm, generous, in there. So we've got all the alignment, she's pointing in the right direction, camber's all done, Rob's just helped and done the tracking on the front here. It's pretty simple, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not too bad.
Nothing here is rocket science, guys, and there's nothing you probably couldn't do with a set of string lines at home, but the accuracy would not quite be the same as maybe a digital set of gauges. So what we're going to be doing now is
Corner weight in it.
corner weight in, yeah. This is where the pies come into it, guys. Let's see what she
Shall I just go and
weighs.
use the loo quick? And then
What do you reckon, guys? Actually, comments below before we get there. What do you reckon?
I don't know. My guess is probably about 590.
590. What do you reckon, guys? Go on, shove it down there and we'll throw you in a minute. Right, here we go, guys. We've got the scale set up. She's on the ramp. We're going to lower her down onto it now and reveal...
Reveal the weight.
Dun, dun, dun. We're going to reveal the weight. Come on in, Joseph. What does she weigh? Ooh.
She a big girl.
What number did you want it to start with?
595.
Any guesses, guys? Come on, be on the camera.
I reckon 6.
6.
620.
I know what it is, so I can't wait.
That's heavy.
5,
Oi, oi.
9, 8.6.
Pretty close.
So, yep, she's on the money. So what we're going to do now is we're going to zoom that in. Oh, my word.
Is it pretty good?
Yeah, very good, actually. We're very close. So the front, yeah, it's very close. As by Joseph's comments there, it's super close. So what we do is we're looking at
598.
axle weights across here. We're looking for the corner weight from this axle to that front axle, and the front axle to this. So it's a cross weight we're looking for. And we're looking for as close as possible to 50-50. We are at, reveal it, Rob, what we at? Axle weights across there.
49 to 51.
So
that is pretty damn close.
normally when you've set it up and all the suspension and geos and ride heights, you normally get very close. But the big change now is we're going to have Rob
A big, heavy man sitting
gonna
in the
sit
car.
in the seat, and we're going to see what in the real world what it does to that, because that will make some changes to the vehicle. But so now we are looking at 51.3 on this axle and 48.7 across those. So now what we've got to look at is where it is. So we could do with some more preload really on the front axles, which is on here. So we need preload on front left. Bit of preload on that, on the push rod, be fine. I reckon 2 turns would probably do that. Yep. So we do a little preload on this corner because the front axle's too light at the moment. We've got obviously quite a bit of weight substantially on this corner, and we're almost like 152, 155 kilos on the front axle. So we'll just take some weight off the front there.
There we go then, guys. We've had loads of time with MK today. Massive thanks to Sean for his help.
Pleasure.
And the guys. We got the Geo set up, the wheels running straight, the steering wheel running straight because I was a little bit off and the wheels were facing out. Cam's all good, and we've actually corner weighted it as well now, and they got it like bang on, 50-50. The weight distribution on these cars are incredible. And the special number, 598 kilos.
Yeah, she's pretty much on the money, and this is a nice spec car. It says you've gone with all the bells and whistles, haven't you? We've got 15-inch wheels on it as well, which always adds 4 kilos a corner, but you've got electric handbrake in here, motors for that, isn't there?
Yeah, there's a motor, there's some aluminium bracketry.
Correct, you know, all the bells and whistles on this, so it's a nicely kitted out. In fact, you know, when you're going to exhibit this, is some of the shows?
Yeah, we're gonna. So I'm actually not gonna make. Is it Malvern? Malvern's the big one, isn't it? I'm on my honeymoon for that one, so the car won't make it, unfortunately, unless we can come to some arrangements of getting it there. But I'll be at Newark, and then we'll come to some of your coffee mornings for people if they want to come and see it. And then me and Dom, we're going to do a joint TT kit car meet.
Oh,
so then people, when the weather's a bit nicer, we can sort of get them all out.
Yeah, so you've got to come and see this, guys. It shows you what you can do at home, and you don't need massive automotive skills to build one of these.
It's adult Meccano.
Adult Meccano, awesome. Yeah, well, I've got to say thanks for coming down and joining us today. This is on us. This is our wedding present to you.
Lovely.
This is all on us. So, yeah, appreciate it. And good luck with IVA. All the prep's done. We should see no reason why this shouldn't sail through.
Yeah, thanks to you.
Fingers crossed.
Thanks for everything. Like, we've got proper confidence now that we should fly through.
It's ticking all the boxes. Congratulations.
Nice one, mate. And
Best
we'll
of luck
let you
with
know
the
how we
wedding.
get on. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.